Hello everyone, I'm all Thai in the United States. Today, I would like to unpack 3 packages I got at the moment. The 2 smalls from eBay, the big one from SHEIN. I got them a little bit late because I ordered them before Christmas, and I thought about they were my Christmas present anyway. It's okay. And before unpacks, I would like to show you these cute stickers I purchased on eBay as well. I watched a YouTuber in Thailand, one of the girls, showing nail sticker when she color nail and sticker very cute put on her nail. Then I checked on eBay and I found many of them. So I would like to use the cute sticker on my nails on Christmas, but unlucky they arrived too late, so I didn't have a chance to do my nails and put them on my nails. Usually, I'm not color the nail because I don't like when color in long period the nail change to yellow. That means I had experience color my nails. Anyway, the price as you see earlier, I don't remember all items prices, so I gonna add it to you, then you can see now. The first pack is off. Then I guess there are socks. Ta-da! There are 4 socks. Christmas theme, as you see the color. I have not many choices on Christmas. Then I order what I got. The deer. So cute. Red and brown. And this is also deer, right? I guess it is a deer head, and then deer, and then dotted red and white, and the cute bear, and deer, red socks. Then the last ones, white stripe on red socks. What is that? The bear wearing a hat. And then second pack, I guess it was a tiny backpack, waterproof. Yes, it is a waterproof small backpack using on the waist. Can put in the belt, or you can use the string, whatever. I'm gonna adapt because doesn't have belt included, just the bag waterproof. I check many of I check many of sellers, and I would like to get cute, like colorful design style. How to say the design, okay, but I didn't see anything look like this. All were like fabric. I would like to get one waterproof, so I got this one. Not many choice. And the big pack from SHEIN. At first I thought one of my friends sent me present, but doesn't have her name on because she ordered direct from the store, because she did this several times in the past years. And then when I unpack them, they are from SHEIN. I purchased on sales day, on sale. Okay. The first are a dozen of socks. Yes, socks again, socks again. I need more new socks. They are only 11.59 for a dozen. And the print, not the print, the style, the design, so cute to me. I count because at first I forgot how many of them, and then I check the price, or they come in a dozen in a pack. They come a pack with dozen, my English, and the cute small canvas backpack yellow with the print. At first, I don't like the handwriting print on it, and then I check the plain yellow, and I decided the handwriting on it look more cool. Then I order it, and it comes with the tiny little bear hanging like this, and you can put on crossbody. And this one is slippers. There are many design and color, but I don't like dark color. They have like leopard color, they have like brown and white and light blue, so I pick the red deer. And this one for swimming. I don't know if I will go swim anywhere in summer again, because in COVID we didn't go to the beach at all. I would like to get long sleeve top like this for a long time, but I could not find the price I would like to spend. And then now SHEIN discount. It's a little bit bigger, but I can return this one because it's on sale, as I told you. And the last one is cute little crossbody bag. The design same as the yellow one, because the style I would like to get currently is crossbody, and I like the backpack design, so I got both of them. And this is not the canvas, but it's, I don't know what the material called. Is, I think, waterproof. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video until the end. I hope you enjoy, and coming back again. Please stay warm. Bye bye.